Clever bird. Once upon a time, there was a bird that lived in a dense forest with its family. That bird was very clever and kind, and always talked politely to others. All animals and birds lived together with love and happiness. One day, suddenly the forest caught fire. Animals were running here and there to save their lives as the fire was rapidly spreading through the forest. All animals decided to gather at a lake nearby to find ways to survive and fight the situation. Everyone came with different suggestions, but unfortunately, all felt helpless. The small bird was also thinking, but nothing came into her mind, hence, she was very sad. Suddenly, she flew and filled some water in her beak and went into the forest to spray the water onto the fire. She repeatedly did the same activity. An elephant saw the little bird and asked, "What are you doing? Is something left inside your nest?" The bird said, No, nothing is inside my nest, but I am scared about the forest, where we all lived for such a long time. The forest is our home where we have families and friends. I cannot leave this forest in this condition. That is why I am trying to extinguish the fire. The elephant was surprised and said, "The fire will not extinguish with this little amount of water." The bird said, "I know this may not work, but I cannot stop trying." By seeing the efforts of the small bird, the elephant showed solidarity with the bird and started the same exercise. Elephant filled water in its trunk and sprayed on the fire. They both encouraged other birds and animals of the forest, and all started doing the same. As a result, the fire started reducing. All the animals were happy to see that their effort and togetherness working. Finally, the fire was extinguished. All animals and birds cheered up and celebrated their success. "Hooray! We saved our home." All animals looked at the bird and said, "Thank you, little bird. We could have lost the entire forest if you had not motivated us." Finally, they all lived happily in the forest.